What's up, you guys? I'm Blake Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you a video of me and my Mustang. I hardly ever take it out because I do need to get it tuned, but I am going to be showing you a video of me driving in my 1989 Mustang. I just made a few stops to the pit stop at the gas station, and on the way driving back home, I did see a Hellcat, an electric blue Charger Hellcat wide-body. So without further ado, I will let you see what happened, and you can see me taking my car out and driving it. And other than that, you guys enjoy the video. Flip-flops and you're driving a stick shift. Okay, and the battery did not die, so hopefully she starts up. And here we go in a second. Oh snap, look like we might have a little juice. Oh. Alright guys, so as you can see, the car did not start, so I'm going to have to jump it. Alright, let's get it done. Need to clean this engine bay. The engine's all dirty. Need to clean all this gunk and grime out. Yeah. Found you at last. And we got these connected to the Fox body Mustang. Hopefully the battery's not too dead where I can still start her. Okay, let's give her a try. Oh yeah! Man, this car is so fun to drive. I love it every time. Just cruising right now, just cruising, doing about 30. Wish my camera mount was working. It's not working right now, so it's kind of hard to stick shift drive and film and then try to make sure the camera don't fall, so. Oh. Gotta get some gas. I'm like on dead E, folks. As you can see, I am completely on E. I don't know how I made it here. 93. So as you can see, she sounds good. She sounds good. Man, every time I see this dent right here, man, it makes me angry. Looking good as usual. Gotta get a new paint job, get a wrap on her. Other than that, she sound good. She sound good. Got the Flow Master. All right, and I got gas and back off. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me fine. It is kind of loud. We can get some rolls going and get a little rolling races. It's kind of chilly out, but I'll take it. 60 degrees, but I'll take it. I'll take it. She does need a tune-up. She keeps stalling, so that's why I keep like revving it sometimes. I think she's about to stall, but I'm not for sure. Sometimes it's just nice to cruise with your car, you know. Nobody, just cruise, no music, no nothing. I do have 12-inch subs in the back. I will show y'all. Y'all want to see more about that, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now, it's just a nice day out. I live in Illinois in the Chicagoland area, and man, our winters are worse. It could be wintertime sometimes, like, for the whole year, it seems like. Just playing, but winter does extend for about an extra month or two, for some reason in Illinois in the Chicago area. Man, it looks like a Hellcat's about to pop up. I think that's a Hellcat. I'm not for sure. Man, I think it might be a Hellcat. Oh shit, is it a Hellcat? I don't know. I'm looking at him to see if he gonna step up, see what's gonna happen. See if he gonna let him play or not. See if he gonna do so or not. Hellcat's pretty nice too. Pretty nice Hellcat, you guys. Shit, that shit is dope. That's dope. That's dope. That's dope. So yeah, the tune is messing up right now. Right now it keeps idling at 2,000 RPMs when it should be idling at only 1,500. Like, I don't know what's going on with that. Tried to diagnose the problem myself. I have replaced the mass airflow sensor. Man, this thing will focus. Even with me replacing the mass airflow sensor, it still didn't do the problem. And I'm thinking it's the computer, so everything else before I replaced the idle air control valve and the mass airflow sensor, everything else is working perfectly. So I don't know why it's idling like that, to be honest. Hope it's not nothing major, but if it is, I'm gonna pay the money because I want to get her running right. Alright you guys, and other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, I didn't really get to do too much with the Charger. It was a car ahead of me as we were starting to take off, so I'm not going to go crash into another car just for the sake of winning a minor race, but I do believe I would have got him. Maybe that's me being cocky, or he probably would have got me. He did sound good, so major respect, because I do love Mopars and Hellcats, so hope you guys liked the video, and remember to like and subscribe. Only if you feel you got value. I will be uploading again this week coming up, so other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.